Hello there. So today we are back with another video, and today we will be covering basic syntax of C, printf function, format specifiers, and decorating printf functions to get more beautiful results. And also we will be programming as much example as we can. So without taking more time, let's dive right into the video. So the very basic syntax of C program would something like this. Okay, it seems quite interesting, but what do we observe from the small program we have? After observing a while, we can say there are two parts. One being the preprocessor directive, and second being the main function. We will discuss each part separately. So to understand the preprocessor directive completely, we have to first understand the concept of C compiler. So when we install our C compiler in the computer, there are many folders which are being created in the C program files. Let us assume it to be 1, 2 and 3. We have 3 folders named 1, 2 and 3, and there are many functions inside it. One, there are assumed two functions inside 1, two function inside 2 and two function inside 3. Now what do we have to do? What is preprocessor directive? Whenever we require the functions inside the box 1 or the folder 1, we include the box 1 in our program. Now what if we want functions inside both 1 and 2? Then we have to include both the function, include 1 and include 2. This is how the preprocessor directive works. Now what is main function? We have main function something like this, and the main function is exactly the starting point and the ending point of the program. So you can see two curly braces here, first one being here and second one being here, and few let us assume many codes are here. Here these are just comments, they will do nothing. And this curly braces is the starting point, while this one is the ending point of the program. The compiler start reading the program from int main, from these first braces, and end up till this last brace. Now let's sum up this part. We have two main parts, first one being the preprocessor directive, second one being the int main or the main function. And the compiler first of all read the include statements, that is the preprocessor directive. Then it assumes that the programmer needs these folders to be included in this program, and then it uses those folders and run the main program, main function, from starting from this braces ending till this braces. So now the time has come for the printf function. Now we will understand what the printf function is and how does it work. So few points about printf function are, basically printf function is used for printing purpose. That is, we will whatever we want to print in the screen, we have to use printf function in C. Also, printf function is included or is present in stdio.h file. stdio.h file is a preprocessor directive where the printf function is present. So the first syntax of printf function is printf. In inverted commas, we can write any string. So now let's write some codes on printf function. We have this basic syntax of C where we have include standardIO.h. That means we can use printf function that is present in the standardIO.h. Now we will use printf hello study lens, and what we will get as a result? Yes, an error. Why? Because I have not given a semicolon here. We have to, in C language, every sentence, every command ends with a semicolon. Now when we will run it, we will get a perfect and output, that is, see here, study lines. Hello study lines. Now let us print our name. Suppose my name is Avinash, then my name is Avinash. Now let's print it. Yes, I have printed my name is Avinash successfully. Suppose we want to print two sentences. Then we will write my name is Avinash slash n, and then I will write hello study lines, and then we will run it and we will get my name is Avinash and hello study lines in two different lines, because slash n represent new line command and it just move the cursor to the next line. Now let's see the advanced form of printf function, that is this one. We have a format specifier here and a variable. We have not learnt about the variables, neither we have learnt about the format specifier. We will have a small introduction about variable and understand what is format specifier here, but a separate video on variable will be coming soon. So again we are in the VS Code, and the syntax, the basic syntax of C program is already written. And now we will command something, we will take a variable of integer type. Don't worry, we will see, we will give you some videos on variables afterwards. For now, just remember, int is written for an integer type variable, char is written for a character type variable. Okay, I have stored 2 in integer type of x, I have stored a in characters type C variable, and now I will print the both with the format specifier. This one is the format specifier for integer and x here, and then this one is the format specifier for this one is the format specifier for character variable, and we have the character as C, and then this one, and then we will run the program. We should get the output as 2 and a. Yes, 2a. Now we will write it something more user friendly, so we will print f the number is ampersand t, here x, and then understand here the x is the variable whose value is 2, and here we are writing the number is ampersand d, yani that means this ampersand d will be interchanged from x, and the value that is printed is the number is 2. We will see after printing it. Printf, the character is ampersand C, and here C. Yes, and then we will run it. Yes, we will get the output as 2a, the number is 2 and the character is a. Oops, everything is a mess here, so we will use /n \n \n is just a new line. It represents just a new line, and it will give it so that the output seems quite impressive. Here we will get the output, yes, the perfect 2a, the number is 2, the character is a, the perfect output that we wanted.